हनुमते नमः।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today we are going to discuss about how to do the CSME cleaning of version 15. This is the latest series BIOS which is there with us. This is a 11th generation laptop BIOS. So first thing first, that is the BIOS is divided into two parts, that is 8 MB and 16 MB. So the basic thing of doing clean ME is you have to combine both the BIOS first. So what we'll do is we'll open both the BIOS in hex editor. So let me select and open it to the hex editor. Now this you can see is the upper part, and this second one 16 MB is the footer part. You can see it from the data. This is the footer and this is the upper part. So what we are going to do is we have to combine both the datas together. So we'll combine it. Now what we have to do, now we have to save this data. Now I am taking it as 123.bin. You can also name it as you like, so there is no obligation or like something special in this, so you can name it as you like. After naming it, you have to open this file into the ME analyzer to see the version. Now I have drag and drop and press enter. So here are the detail. You can see here the file is in initialized state and the CSME version is 15.0.101147, and we are just going to clean the ME of this file. We are not doing anything extra apart from that. We are not changing any PMC controller or something like that. We are just simply cleaning the ME region of this particular BIOS. And before going to this cleaning process, I would like to say that there is no special or something strange or like rocket science in this cleaning. It is a very simple process. It is all about the basic understanding and the basic knowledge which you use for normal BIOS editing. So I request everybody, those who want to learn BIOS editing or understand the concept of it, you can join the training with us, or somewhere you like you can join and learn the process of doing the BIOS editing over there. The steps are very simple. There is no complication, nothing is strange in the cleaning of the BIOS. So let's move ahead. So now I have to open the FITC tool of version 15, which I have already over here. So I have opened it. Now this is a version. Now here what you have to do is you have to just drag and drop the file over here. So I am dragging and dropping the file. Meanwhile, now you can see while I drag and drop the file, this gives me an error. Now this error comes due to one reason, that is the location of the file is not accepted by the FITC tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the location from here. Now I'll copy this file. After copying, let me paste it over here, and with that let me change the location to 123 over here. One second. This file is open somewhere, that's why I'm not able to change the location. Let me close this and then try again. Now you can see I have changed the location to 1 2. Okay, now I'll drag and drop the same file again here. Now you can see it is opening perfectly. Now as soon as it open, you can see a new folder has been created over here as 123 over here. Okay, the new folder has been created here, that is 123. Now what I have to do is I have to get the ME repository file of the same edition if it is available. So I'll try to get that. For that I have to open my computer, then see zipper ME regions. This is my ME region folder. So I'll directly go to the 15th version, that is here. So I'll search for my exact number of the repository file, that is 15.010 1447. This I have got. Now this is consumer LP. Okay, now you can see over here this is also consumer LP. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this file from here, Control C copy, and I have to go to this folder again. Meanwhile, before doing that, I have to change one setting over here, that is build setting, and make the intermediary file to no. Now here close, and I'm going to save as 1 over here. You can also use any number name you like, no problem at all, it's your choice. Now in 123, just go to decom folder and paste your file over here. You will get many files over here. As this is a latest generation BIOS, latest series BIOS, you will find many extra files apart from that. Now type C also has a BIOS. So I'll do one thing, I'll copy the file over here. 1 second. Now you can see I have copied the file. Now here ME sub partition, F2 Control C, I'll delete this partition here. Now I'll F2 Control V and change the partition. Now roll over here of this folder is over. Now let's come out of this and I'll make smaller for you. Now let's go to the open file and then press on this one XML. Just pay attention to the folder here. Now see what is happening into this folder when I press on the build from the settings. Now the file is open. Now I have to go to the build and just simply click on build image and press yes. Now as soon as you press yes, you get your file over here. Now you can see there are 3 file outputs which you are getting. One is your, as you have seen, there was 8 MB, 16 MB, and we have combined both the things. So you got automatically both the files separated by default. Now this is the 24, that is combined file of 8 plus 16. Now I am opening this file into the ME analyzer and press enter. Now let me minimize everything. Now you can compare both the file and see that this file and the previous one, that this file you can see this is being configured and this is initialized and our ME cleaning has been done properly without any problem. The first thing first, keep the folder simple. If the path is not proper, your ME FITC tool will not be able to catch that file. If it is simple, it will catch in one single use. After that you have to follow the basic concepts of the ME cleaning. There is no rocket science in it, there is no complication. It is very easy to do the ME cleaning. You can do it very easily without any problem. Just you need to have a proper tool FITC tool and the repository file. And repository file and ME tool you can get easily from the WinRed forum. It is very easy. You can go there, surf, and it is very easily available. You can use google.com. You will find all the details over there, and you can do your job. So thanks for watching Aditya 111 YouTube channel. Do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. So if you want to get the knowledge on BIOS modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. The complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our BIOS and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 111 YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.